Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Wala Chemistry. Myself Subhadip Dey, second year MBBS. This video is going to be very important for every medical aspirants, those who are in class 11 or 12 and also for those who will be facing exam this very year. So please watch till end. तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about one of the most important and basic chapter of physical chemistry, due to which we can draw the different chemical structures just from the chemical formula. The chapter which forms the basis of organic chemistry and reactions. And believe me, if you learn the concepts of this chapter properly, you can do difficult organic reactions आँख बंद करके. And not only organic, this chapter also answers all the so-called exceptions of inorganic chemistry. So, introducing the chapter chemical bonding. तो अब problem यह है कि it is a huge chapter and it has connections with all other chapters. So, what are the important topics of this chapter? What is the proper way to cover all those concepts so that we can also relate organic and inorganic chemistry from the chemical bonding? So many of you get confused. Chemical bonding तो हम पढ़ लेते हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारा टॉपिक एंड कंसेप्ट्स बाकी रह जाता है and we face further problems in organic and inorganic chemistries. So now we will know the ultimate strategy to cover all those important topics in the smartest, shortest and most efficient way, which will be most effective for NEET and AIIMS exam. चलो देख लेते हैं all the important topics. So the first 4 things you need to know: what is chemical bonding? How does it occur? Where does it occur? And why it actually occurs? So firstly, you should know these 4 things. Then you should know all the different types of chemical bonding. That is the covalent bonding, ionic bonding, hydrogen bonding, and there are many other types of chemical bonding. Then within covalent bonding, you should know the concept of variable valency, the concept of central atom, and how to draw different chemical structures from the formula. It is very common in the question papers of NEET that they give some chemical names and also sometimes they give chemical formula, and you have to draw the chemical structure of your own, and usually we face difficulty, right? So you should know how to draw structures from the chemical formula. It is very easy. We will discuss it clearly in a separate video later on. Okay. So nextly, you should know about different types of covalent bonds, right? Then we will know about the hybridization of atom, how to determine the hybridization state, what are the different types of hybridization. Then we will learn about the nomenclature of different acids. यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारा confusion होता है. So we will remove all those confusions with our concepts. Okay. Nextly, we will learn about some theories and rules so that we can draw the chemical structure and understand the chemical bondings. And not only the theories and rules, the most important thing is their applications. कि हम वो rules और theory को कैसे question पेपर में apply करेंगे, and how we have to approach those questions, right? And after that, we will learn about some bond parameters like length, bond angles, bond energy, and how to calculate bond order. This is very important one. Okay. And nextly, we will learn about dipole moment and its applications. Then one special thing, that is multi-center, multi-electron species. We will learn about this because nowadays it is getting very popular. And nextly, we will go to the ionic bonding, We will learn about the octet rules, Fazan's rules, and also their applications. These are also very important for our understanding of the periodic table. Then we will learn about the MO theory, the energy level diagrams, everything we will learn in details. Then we will learn a special thing, the odd electron species. Then the calculation of formal charges. We will learn about metallic bonding, the Vanderwall Force, and we will also learn about hydrogen bonding and its various applications. This is very important and popular for NEET and AIIMS exam. Then we will cover some special topics which are not actually included in books or any other materials, but you should know these things in chemical bonding, the chemical and physical properties of different chemical structures like solubility, stability, melting points and boiling points and their orders. You must know all these things to complete the concepts of chemical bonding. So all these are the important topics you should know for chemical bonding chapter. अब ऐसा है कि इतना सब कुछ कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी तुम्हारा प्रिपरेशन खत्म नहीं होता, क्योंकि there are various types of applications of chemical bonding. So you should also know all the applications. And don't worry, we will bring all those important topics along with their applications, every applications required for NEET and AIIMS from the next lectures. The next lectures of chemical bonding will be available very soon. So please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please also click on the like button. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Once again, please subscribe to get ultimate and updated chemistry lectures. Thank you again. Keep on studying, stay blessed and stay cool.